In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reach a live person at Turbotax. If you're finding it challenging to connect with a real human at Turbotax, you're definitely not alone, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process. The steps are straightforward and I'll explain each of them in detail so you can follow along easily. First, open your preferred web browser and head on over to the official Turbotax website. Navigating through the official site is important because it ensures your interactions are secure and authentic. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the site layout if you're not already accustomed to it. Next, you'll want to scroll down the homepage until you find the Contact Us link. This can usually be found towards the bottom of the page. As you scroll, you might come across various sections and informative links about Turbotax's features and services, but keep heading down until you spot the Contact Us option. Clicking this will start you on the path to getting in touch with a live representative. After clicking Contact Us on the main website, you'll be directed to another page that focuses solely on support and contact information. Here, you want to look for the option to contact or speak with a representative directly. It might feel like you're just one click away from speaking to someone, and you are. Once you've selected the contact option, you'll be taken to the TurboTax Support Center page. On this page, you should again see the Contact Us button. Give that another click. This might seem repetitive, but each step ensures you're guided through the right channels to reach exactly who you need. Right after this, you'll likely be presented with options or questions about your issue or the department you wish to contact. This helps direct your query to the right team at Turbotax, reducing the time you might spend on hold or being transferred between departments. Be sure to provide any necessary details that will help route your call correctly. Finally, once you've navigated these options, you'll usually be given a phone number to dial. This is the final step to reaching that live person who can help address your concerns. It may be beneficial to have your account information ready, whether it's your account number or any relevant details about your query, to make the call as efficient and productive as possible. Remember, patience is key when contacting customer support. Should there be any waiting time, rest assured that soon a real person will be on the line to assist you. With these steps, connecting to a TurboTax representative should now be much more manageable. Thanks for watching and hopefully you found this guide helpful.